If you've been pouring into everyone else, then this is your moment to pour back into you. Welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast with AJ's EO Infusions, and I am your host, Janice Story. As a nurse, aromatherapist, essential oil coach, and founder of this beautiful glow community, you are here because something inside you needs a moment. You need to breathe, you need grounding, and you need space that doesn't ask anything of you except to return to yourself. So if you are a giver, a caretaker, if you're the strong one that everyone depends on, if you move through life holding more than anyone realizes, then this space is for you. This episode gives your spirit a pause and your nervous system a reset, and your glow gets to come back home. This is your weekly reset, your intentional ritual, and your reminder that peace is not a luxury, but a necessity. So, before we begin, go ahead and make sure that you subscribe. This podcast is your weekly reset, and I don't want you to miss any rituals, conversations, or breakthroughs that strengthen your glow from the inside out. I'm not sure which camera to look at here. And a quick disclaimer, this episode is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always listen to your body and consult a licensed professional if needed. Now let's begin. So, sometimes the hardest part of being human is pretending that you're okay when you're not. And sometimes the breakdown doesn't look like tears, but silence. It looks like you getting up every day and doing what needs to be done even when your body feels heavy. It looks like you showing up with a smile even when your spirit feels tired. It looks like you carrying the emotional weight of everyone else around you without a place to set down your own emotions. As a nurse, I have had those days where I've given everything to my patients, their pain, their families, their fears, their healing, and then when I come home, I give more. I have dinner, dishes, kids, appointments, responsibilities. Life is life, and no one knew inside that I was running on empty. And that's the quiet breakdown that no one sees. The one woman carrying without language, the one caregivers and mothers and nurses know all too well. There's a type of overwhelm that doesn't speak. It hides in strength, busyness, and being the reliable one. You're the planner, the comforter, the helper, the one who has it all together. And people assume that you're fine, not because you are, but because you never fall apart where they can see it. But I want you to hear me clearly today. You are not invisible. Your struggle is valid. Your exhaustion makes sense. And your silence is not weakness, but survival. And there's a specific kind of fatigue that nurses, caregivers, service-oriented women understand. It's physical, emotional, and spiritual. You're needed at work and home and everywhere else all the time. And sometimes being needed becomes its own kind of burden. People admire your strength, they compliment your resilience, but they don't always see that inside strength actually feels like pressure. Resilience feels like that responsibility. And sometimes you just want a moment that absolutely no one needs anything. And you deserve that moment, that pause, and that breath. So there are seasons when life gets so loud you stop hearing yourself. You pray, but you still feel disconnected. You move, but you still feel distant. And where you function, but you still feel like you're an outsider watching your life, right? This isn't failure, it's not weakness, it's just your spirit simply saying that I miss you, I want you back, come home to yourself. So when you're feeling overwhelmed, overextended, emotionally overloaded, your body shifts into a fight or flight mode. Your breathing becomes shallow, your shoulders tense up, you have those rushing thoughts, and your emotional clarity disappears, and your body tries to protect you even when you're not in danger. And this is why grounding rituals work. The lavender helps slow your heart rate. The peppermint increases oxygen flow and mental clarity. And then the frankincense helps to regulate that emotional center of the brain. Aromatherapy communicates directly with the limbic system, the part of the brain that stores the emotions, memories, and our mood. Rituals are not about perfection, they're about regulation. They tell your nervous system that I'm safe, I'm steady, I can breathe again. So go ahead and place your hand over your heart right now, wherever you are, and let's take a slow, steady breath in and hold it and slowly release it out. Let your inhale be your return. Let your exhale be your relief. Say softly, I am here, I am present, I am allowed to reset, and I am allowed to glow. And your spirit always returns when you slow down enough to feel it. Now, if you have your... See, I think I'm like looking at my computer, but I'm not. So if you have your lip ritual, go ahead, take it out. If not, you can just imagine the moment. So before we apply this, we are going to pause and we are going to smell it gently. Smells amazing. So let the lavender soften your body. The peppermint, let that awaken your clarity, and let the frankincense bring your spirit back into alignment. Now we are going to apply this slowly with intentional circles, gentle pressure, breathing with each movement. And this is not lip care, it's a grounding ceremony. This is a moment of aromatherapy. It is a reset disguised as beauty. And this is where your glow returns. Now, hear me clearly. You're not running on empty. You're not here to run on empty. You're not here to disappear under responsibilities. And you are not here to be the strong one all the time. You're here to breathe, receive, and glow. Your peace matters, your presence matters, your reset matters, and your glow matters. You're allowed to choose yourself without guilt, without apology, without explanation. If today's episode reminded you of your glow, make sure to like this episode, share it with someone who gives to everyone else but herself. Make sure to subscribe for more rituals and resets, and comment that I'm reclaiming my glow that I forgot about. With care and clarity, I'm Janice Story, founder of AJ's Ego Infusions. Your glow is sacred. Protect it. If this week feels heavy or overstimulating, go ahead, take a breath. You are not alone. As we move into Thanksgiving, I'm so grateful for you, for your presence, your courage, and the way you keep choosing your glow even on the hard days. Give yourself permission to slow down, to soften, and to receive the rest that you deserve. And because you've been showing up for yourself so beautifully, I've got a little thank you surprise coming for Black Friday. More soon. Stay grounded and stay grateful.